On this proof, we're trying to get a conjunction. So this is number 23, still in section D. And conjunction, to get that, what often you want to do is get both sides independently and then use the conjunction rule to just put them together. So let's put on our wish list each part individually. So we'll put S and we'll put not B. If we can get both of those by themselves, we'll just put them together. So where do we see these in our premises? Well, we see S in a couple places, and we see not B in just one spot. So how are we going to get these? Well, it looks like actually S is going to be pretty simple to get. In one, we have a conjunction. Conjunctions are very easy to break apart. You just simplify them. And that's actually going to be excellent. So let's simplify one. Let's get the left side by itself. So we have S or U from one simplification, and let's get the right side. So not U, again, from one simplification. And to get S, we actually have the ingredients right here. 4 and 5 together, we can just do disjunctive syllogism. And that's, so not U is the denial of the right side of that disjunction. So that gives us the left side. So we've already got one thing we need. But not B is probably going to be a little bit more tricky to get. So what are we going to do to get not B? Well, it's in the premises, it's stuck in this pretty long compound statement. So on our wish list, it'd be nice if we could just get the left side and then get the right side all by itself. If we get the right side all by itself, this is just a conjunction inside that parentheses. So we could just then simplify to get not B. So on our wish list, we'll write not B and E, because we like to get that. So we can just simplify the not B out. Well, to get this, we could do it with modus ponens on 3 if we had the left side of this conditional. So we can write that on our wish list. We'll write the left side of the conditional, T or J and P. How could we get T or J and P? Well, this is a disjunction, of course, so if we could just get one side or the other, then we could just add the rest. Well, notice J and P does not occur anywhere else in the rest of the premises. In fact, this is the only place. So that's going to be hard to get. But T is right there. So probably we're going to have to add the J and P part. And T is what we're actually just going to get from other places. So we'll put T in our wish list. And if you look at 2, that's where we see T occur. And it's in the right side of this conditional that makes up 2. So if we get the left side, we can modus ponens it to get this. And then since it's a conjunction inside the brackets, we could just simplify T out. And look at that. We already have S, so we could use 6 and 2 together. Modus ponens, and that's going to give us the right side of 2, T and F or G. And now we can get our T from 7. We'll just simplify 7. So now we got T all by itself. Now we can get the next thing on our wish list. We can just add the rest of the disjunction. So that's T or J and P, and that's from 8 addition. next, we can take 9 and we can get the next thing on our wish list, the not B and E. We'll get that from 3 and 9 modus ponens. So that's going to give us the right side of 3, not B and E. Now we can just pull out the not B. We'll pull it out from 10. So 10 simplification is going to give us our not B. So now we got everything on our wish list, and the idea then was we could use the S, not B. We'll just put them together with conjunction. So that's going to be what? Line 6 is our S, and 11, and that's conjunction, and that looks like that. Awesome. So that was a little bit longer than some of the other ones we've done, but none of the steps were too complicated. If you used a wish list, it was probably not too difficult, but that's number 23.